Welcome! Today I'm showing how to change screen recorder quality into OPPO Reno 10x zoom. First of all, go into your settings, then scroll down and find Convenience Tools option. Here we got screen recording option, and then here we got video resolution option. If you click it, you can choose, for example, high, medium, low or custom resolution of your screen recording. For saving this option, for example, choose your bitrate resolution and click back, and it saves automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.